Hi, my name's Zach. This is TradeLog, and today we're going to learn how to get help. If at any point TradeLog isn't working the way you think it should be, or if you're running into any error messages, then we're here to help, and we're only a button away. Near the top left, you can see a life ring icon. This is our Get Support button. When you press that button, you will see this window. This window helps you to send in your support request. In the middle, you will see that your TradeLog file is automatically getting attached to your support request. Also, there are two other boxes that you can select. One is to include the import folder that holds all the files used to import your trade history into TradeLog. The other is to include other attachments such as a 1099-B, a monthly statement, or anything else that would help us with the issue you are having. In the bottom section, you can add a description of your issue. Please use as much detail as you can because that will help us to be able to help you. When you're done, you can click send and an email will be sent straight to our support center queue. We will see it and help you as quickly as we can. This is the most secure way to send your file. You can learn more about how we use and secure your private information in our privacy policy online. There's also another way you can get support, and that's from our website, TradeLog.com. From the front page, you can place your mouse over the word support and then select. Now you're in the support center. Feel free to type anything you have questions about in our search bar, and most likely you will find documentation and instructions on that subject. Also, if it's your first time using TradeLog, a great place to start is on the front page of the Support Center. Select Guide using TradeLog each year. This will give you step-by-step instructions on how to use TradeLog for the first time. And now you know the two best ways to get help from TradeLog.